Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with FigJam sticky notes and files, complete guide step by step clearly. Open FigJam and create a new board. Begin by organizing your workspace to make it visually appealing. Use sticky notes to jot down essential ideas or tasks. Color code the sticky notes for easy categorization. Group related sticky notes together to form clusters of information. To add a sticky note, click on the sticky note icon in the toolbar. Drag the sticky note to your desired location on the board. Double-click the sticky note to edit its text. Make sure to save changes to prevent any loss of data. Next, consider uploading files for additional context. Click on the upload icon to import relevant documents. Ensure that files are clearly labeled for easy identification. Position the files next to the corresponding sticky notes for reference. Regularly review and update your sticky notes and files. Use FigJam's commenting feature to provide feedback or make notes. Check the history feature to track changes over time. Export your board for offline access, if necessary. Click on the export icon to download your board as a PDF or image. Save this backup in a secure location on your device. Regular backups ensure that you keep your work safe and organized. Lastly, communicate with your team to ensure everyone is on the same page with the backup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.